This is Asus ROG Phone 5 review. With design features and software perks that improve the gaming experience, the Asus ROG 5 is the best gaming smartphone. The Asus ROG 5 was announced on March 10, 2021. Prices for Asus ROG 5 start at €799, about $950, £684, $1,233 for 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, €899, about $1,069, £769, $1,367 for 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, and €999, around $1,188, £855, $1,541 for 16GB RAM and 256GB storage. In most areas, the ROG 5 comes in black, though there is a white variant that looks similar to the ROG 5 Ultimate. The design is the same as the ROG 5 Ultimate, but the RGB lit ROG icon on the back cover is filtered through larger blocks that make it look like it's been squished. There's a white ROG 5 that looks a lot like the ROG 5 Ultimate. It has the same design, but the RGB lit ROG icon on the back cover looks like it was squished through a block. ROG 5's back cover has been radically redesigned. Gone is the ROG 3's cutout window into the heatsink, it still has the ROG logo. While RGB and OLED screens may scream gamer aesthetic, they're a far cry from the first ROG phone, which had grooves so deep it looked like an incognito Decepticon. All of the 4 microphones on the phone are placed in an equidistant manner, at the top, bottom, right side, and next to the camera on the back. The ROG 5 sports a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus, 2440 by 1080, AMOLED display with HDR10 Plus certification. It displays vivid colors and sharp visuals. The front-facing camera is hidden in a thin black bar, a nice touch to avoid a notch. Asus ROG Phone 5 has a modest array of cameras for its price range, notably missing a telephoto lens for zoom photography. The phone has a 300Hz touch sampling rate, which is faster than most phones. The ROG Phone 5 has a modest array of cameras for its price range, though it doesn't come with a telephoto lens. Plus, it has a faster touch sampling rate than most smartphones, at 300Hz. The ROG 5's depth of field produces decent background blur, but its portrait mode doesn't quite match top-tier flagships. The ROG 5 shoots 8K video at 30 FPS, 4K video at 60 FPS, or 30 FPS with the ultra-wide camera, slow-motion video at 120 FPS, and can take still photos while shooting video. Its mid-gaming software got a makeover too. Game Genie now has a map interface that makes it easier to understand, and there's a new esports mode that turns off notifications and macros during gaming. Overall, it's no surprise the ROG 5's impressive specs, great display, game-assisting hardware and software, and incredible battery life make it the best gaming phone out there right now. Geekbench 5 gives the ROG 5 16GB of RAM a score of 3,732, beating the S21 Plus 8GB of RAM with a score of 3,170. The ROG 5 starts at 128GB of storage, which is the baseline for most 2021 Android phones, but it can be expanded to 256GB. The ROG 5 runs Android 11 out of the box, and has the usual Zen UI overlay that's simple and stylish. In Geekbench 5, the ROG 5 has a score of 3,732, beating the S21 Plus with 8GB of RAM with a score of 3,170. The ROG 5 starts with 128GB of storage, which is the baseline for many 2021 Android phones, but it can be expanded to 256GB. The ROG 5 has Android 11 out of the box, and has the usual Zen UI overlay. If you're charging overnight, there's a new feature called scheduled charging, where you select a wake-up time, and the phone will start charging right around that time.